Did you know that by the age of 60, your bones could be losing strength at a rapid pace, without you even realizing it? Yes, weak bones don't just lead to fractures. They silently steal your independence, mobility, and even your confidence. But what if I told you that with a few simple changes in your diet, you could rebuild that strength naturally? No expensive supplements, no side effects, just real food. Let's dive into the top 7 bone-strengthening superfoods that every senior over 60 should add to their plate, starting today. Fatty fish, especially salmon and sardines. These delicious fish are packed with vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, a dream team for your bones. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium better, while omega-3 fights inflammation that can eat away at bone tissue. If you're someone who doesn't get much sun or skips dairy, adding fatty fish just 2 to 3 times a week can make a huge difference. Grilled salmon with herbs isn't just tasty, it's medicine for your bones. Leafy green vegetables, kale, spinach, and collard greens. These greens are loaded with calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, all essential for bone mineral density. Vitamin K especially is like a construction manager for your bones. It helps send calcium where it's needed, instead of letting it deposit in your arteries. Try making a morning smoothie with spinach or sauté kale with garlic at dinner. Your bones will thank you. Greek yogurt, creamy, tangy, and full of calcium. Just 1 cup of Greek yogurt can give you 30% of your daily calcium needs. Plus, it has protein, which seniors often lack, and which bones desperately need to stay strong. And if you're lactose intolerant, no problem. Go for lactose-free or plant-based yogurts fortified with calcium and vitamin D. Add some chia seeds and berries on top for bonus points. Almonds, small in size, giant in power. Almonds are one of the best plant-based sources of magnesium, which plays a key role in turning vitamin D into its active form. Just a small handful a day helps regulate bone-building hormones and reduces bone loss. Pro tip: soak them overnight. Makes them easier to digest and even more nutrient-rich. Eggs, especially the yolks. Yes, don't skip the yolks. That golden center holds vitamin D, phosphorus, and a bit of zinc, all important for maintaining bone density. Make soft-boiled eggs for breakfast or a veggie-loaded omelet. Seniors often avoid eggs due to cholesterol myths, but moderate egg intake is totally safe and incredibly beneficial for bones. Prunes, nature's sweet bone booster. Here's a surprising one. Prunes, those wrinkled little dried plums, have been shown in studies to slow bone loss in older adults, especially postmenopausal women. They contain boron and potassium, both crucial for bone metabolism. Just 4 or 5 prunes a day can actually reverse bone loss. Yes, they're sweet, soft, and your bones absolutely love them. Cheese, but choose the right kind. Hard cheeses like Parmesan are not only rich in calcium but also contain vitamin K2, a rare nutrient that directs calcium into your bones, not your arteries. But don't go overboard. Small portions of quality cheese a few times a week can support bone strength without overloading fat or sodium. Let's wrap it up, but with a powerful message. Bone loss is not a natural part of aging. It's a sign of nutrient neglect, and it's never too late to start rebuilding. By adding just a few of these foods into your weekly diet, you're not just protecting yourself from fractures. You're building a stronger, more independent version of yourself. So whether you're 60, 70, or beyond, remember, the foundation of your future lies in what you eat today. Like, share, and save this video to help someone else stay strong and healthy too. Your bones deserve the best, and now they can have it.